Good morning, YouTube. Out here at Talkalai Lake today. It's been a while since I've been here, but I've been waiting for this. I came out here, I don't remember when, middle of summer, late summer. That was my first time out here, and I knew I couldn't wait to get back here in the spring. And it may be a little early yet, but it's supposed to be pre-spawn. And so I'm hoping the fishing is decent. I just got out here. I've thrown about 10 casts. I'm hoping for a really good day. I brought mostly soft plastics, some crankbaits, and a chatterbait or two. But mostly I plan on throwing around plastics. Right now I'm throwing around a Nico rig on this red fat bat. But I'll probably throw around the crawdad. I don't know what all I brought. I didn't bring very much. I've never fished this end of the lake. I've fished around the main lake, but I've never gone up the river, so I'm going to definitely do that today. And I finally found my way to the boat ramp. I guess you can call it a boat ramp, but the road to get out here is very sketchy. I don't know how the boat guys do. I don't know how you get a boat down that road. It's not, I guess it's not that bad, but it's, you know, it's going to take you forever. It's really rough in parts. I would hate to bring a boat trailer down here. I think I'm going to start throwing the chatterbait for now, just to cover some water, see if there's any reaction bite going on. I didn't bring any electronics today. I didn't have anything ready to go. I've been swapping electronics on the boat, so I haven't bothered to put the electronics back on the kayak. And last time I was out here, I didn't really use electronics much. This lake is not very deep, maybe 15 feet in sections, and there's just fish everywhere. You know, it's one of those lakes where everywhere you go there's fish on the graph, so it didn't really help with locating bass. The structure was pretty much all the same. It's very flat, so not missing it really, the electronics that is. There's my first fish. I just put on the crankbait just to try it out, and that didn't take long. That thing hit it. That was super aggressive bite too. He hit that thing as soon as it landed, and then I lost it, and it came back for it. All right. There's our first little bass of the day. We won't bother to weigh you. I got another one. Very small. That's a crappie. Cool. That was unexpected. No wonder that bite felt so weird. That's cool. I haven't caught a crappie in a while. Alright, buddy. Let's see here. Just chill. Be chill. Alright. Little crappie. There's one. There's another one. Another small one. It's another crappie. Better sized one. Oh yeah. Wow. Not a huge one, but that's eating size. Alright, so we know the crappie are biting. That was a fun bite. There was no doubt about that one. Got one. That was a hard bite too. Oh, and look at how small it is. I snagged it. And now I've got a bluegill. I think that's a bluegill, yeah. Sunfish. So I snagged it. That felt like a hard hit when it first hit. That's 3 species already. Well, he flopped under the seat. I have no idea where he went. Alright. Wow, that would make a great bait. That would make a great live bait for a bass. That was the hardest hit of the day. Well, YouTube, the fishing has been tough. After catching those 4 this morning within a few minutes of each other, I've been fishing for hours now. I've thrown everything and I haven't gotten a single bite. I fished up and down the river 3 times and nothing. Nothing after the bass and the 2 crappie and then the bluegill. Just nothing. It's been... I thought I had a fish there. It's been dead calm out here. No wind whatsoever. So pretty disappointing. I was really hoping for some better fishing, but I don't even know what time it is. How long have I been here? So I've been fishing about 5 hours. I'm going to give it another hour probably, and then I'm going to split.